Title: 10 Interesting Facts About the Builders of the Giza Pyramids. The folks who built the famous pyramids at Giza were incredibly smart and creative. Here are 10 cool things to know about them. 1. Clever designers. These builders were like super smart architects who knew math and science really well. 2. Lots of workers. Imagine thousands of people working together to make these pyramids. That's how many were involved. 3. Smart planning. Before they started building, they made super detailed plans. They even made sure the pyramids faced the right directions. 4. Tricky techniques. They used cool tricks like ramps and big sleds to move the heavy rocks. It's like ancient engineering magic. 5. Rock hunters. They found rocks from nearby and far away to build the pyramids. Talk about finding the right building blocks. 6. Teamwork rules. They had bosses who told everyone what to do. It's like a big construction team with a plan. 7. Starry connection. These builders loved looking at the stars. They built the pyramids to match up with important stars in the sky. 8. Special pyramids. These weren't just regular buildings. They were super special tombs for important leaders. It's like building a huge fancy resting place. 9. Long time coming. Making the biggest pyramid took about as long as growing up and going to college. They must have been very patient. 10. Mystery builders. Even though we know a lot about the pyramids, we still don't know exactly who these builders were. They left behind amazing structures and a big puzzle for us to solve. So, the Giza pyramid builders were like really smart builders who worked together, used cool tricks, and made awesome tombs that are still mind-blowing today.